Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset 2003 Honda Civic maintenance light. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine and locate the trip odometer button. Press and hold the trip button while switching the ignition OFF then on again to enter the reset mode. Release the button when the maintenance light flashes or the display shows zeros, confirming the reset is complete. Begin with the car off and the key in hand, and press the trip odometer button. While holding it, switch the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then wait for the display to change or the light to flash. Release the button once zeros appear or the lamp blinks, and start the engine to confirm the maintenance light remains off, indicating a successful reset of the reminder system. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with saving on repairs and planning maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it easily, and now let's get back to the video. If the maintenance light does not reset, try the reset steps again with steady pressure on the trip button and clear key movement. Avoid disconnecting the battery unless necessary because it may erase radio and clock presets. If the light returns right away or you notice other warning indicators, have a mechanic inspect the vehicle, as the light may signal an unresolved maintenance need rather than a simple reminder reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.